Welcome, little world traveler. Let's ask Teacher Lisa what country we will visit today.
Today we are traveling to Thailand. Where is Thailand? Thailand is located in Asia. Before we visit Thailand, I have two questions for you. Do you know the flag of Thailand? Please choose. Is it number 1, number 2, or number 3? If you chose number 1, you will be correct. That is the flag of Thailand. What language do they speak in Thailand? Do you think it's number 1, Spanish, number 2, Thai, or number 3, Tagalog? If you chose number 2, Thai, you are correct. Remember, before we travel to any country, we always need two things: a passport and a ticket. I've given you both, so please download for free your passport, your ticket, and also passport stamps. When we complete our trip to Thailand, we will find the correct passport stamp and place it into our passport. Ready? Let's go.
Now let's see what it is like in Thailand. Let's watch.
Welcome to Thailand, a beautiful country in Asia known as the land of smiles because the people here are so friendly and happy. Now let's cool off at the beach. Thailand has some of the most beautiful sparkling blue oceans in the world. You might even spot a monkey hanging out in the trees by the sand. Look over there. Thailand is famous for its amazing elephants. Did you know that the elephant is the national animal here? They love splashing in the mud and eating yummy bananas all day long. Guess what? In Thailand, people don't always shop in stores. They shop on the water at the amazing floating markets. Sellers pack their little boats with colorful fruits and yummy treats, paddling right up to you. It's like a floating supermarket. From delicious noodles to giant golden temples, there's so much to see and do. Thailand is a great place for little explorers. Okay, go ahead and find the correct passport stamp. There it is. Now glue it or tape it into your passport now. Before you go, I have one more question. Where are we going next? Come back next time to see what country we'll be traveling to.